So this is down at the square junction now. So we come back from that, bit of a landing pad, coming back, drop collar. There's a build up of paper here, you'll see. Which is just, you can see the build up of paper there, but you can see, yeah, a really badly broken section just there. You can see up in the top of that, can't really see in the top of there, there's a really badly broken section. But that's really it. I mean, that and that there, that's your 9 meters though. Look at that, that's pretty much spot on 9 meters of liner. So I mean, you either get away with doing 2 patches over the affected areas and get away with doing that, or you can get away with just putting 8 meters in. There you go.